Hello guys, so today we'll be showing you wild animals in our school. Najua ni weird kusikia ati watu wanaishi na wanyama pori, but we have some wild animals in our school. Yeah, and we'll be showing you today, so stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Yeah. So guys, after our lunch we decided to take a walk in our school to look for the baboons. Unfortunately, we found them. Yeah, these are the baboons. But the baboons that we found, they were not walking together today, but they usually stay together. But we continued walking until we found many of them. We went to a field that was having many of them. So tukapatana, tukaanza kuzirecord. One of my vlogmates was trying to scare them away because you know the baboons are so aggressive. When they get disturbed, they can easily injure someone. Yeah. So we went to a field, we found them. They were all over. They were many. It was like a family. There was a male, the biggest one, and the female and the children around it. Yeah, so as you can see, they saw us, they started running because they knew that we wanted to harm them. But also us, we feared because we know them. We know what they were capable of. Yeah. So guys, these are my vlogmates. Yeah, the ones that we record daily, your vlogs. Yeah, so venye tulifika around them, zilianza kutoka. You can see them moving one by one. That we were after them. So tukaanza kuzifuata pole pole tu. Tulifika mahali my vlogmates wakaogopa kwenda karibu nazo because they were pissed, so they had to stand back kwanza zipite. You can see that mother with a newborn child, so the male was there to protect it. These baboons live like people. Yeah, they have IQ compared to other animals. So as we were walking to other areas, we found another one relaxing. So many baboons love this spot. You can never miss a baboon sitting there. Yeah, so we decided to disturb it a little bit. Yeah, you can see it running because it's scared of us. So after a while walking in the field, we came back near our hostels. We found a baboon relaxing on top, sitting comfortably. We decided to disturb it a little bit, and it decided to run away. Yeah. It did not take long. Then after some few minutes, another one came there, the same spot. Decided to record a video with it. You can see that's me and the baboon behind me. Yeah, but it did not take time. It was relaxing comfortably, and then we decided to chase it away. Yeah, as you can see, it started running from there. to save his life. So after some moments with the baboon, we decided to get back to the field to look for the warthogs, and we found them. You can see though they are not scary, they are friendly, but also they don't like people, they are scared of people. So when we were approaching, they started running away and they thought that we were attacking them. Yeah.
Ndo ziwageukie. Acha tu ziende hivyo. Hiyo vida ni smart.
As we were still walking around our school, I found two of them near our cafeteria. I decided to record them. You can see they are not scared of people. People pass near them, but they can't run. And they are not dangerous, they are so friendly. Yeah. After a while, we decided to go and look for the monkeys. There's also monkeys in our school. Yeah, but unfortunately where they usually dwell, we did not get them, so ikabidi tu tumerecord nature. You can see the river passing. Yeah, it's fine. You can see the way the climate is cool. Yeah, you can see the sun. The clouds that indicate signs of rain started forming on the sky. We decided to go back to our hostels. On our way back, we found some baboons around the trees which are within our hostels, and I decided to record them. You can see that one, they are relaxing comfortably. Though when it's raining, usually baboons go climb the tree. That's where they get their shelter. Yeah. Then one of my vlogmates decided to go and disturb the ones that were relaxing on someone's gate. Yeah. When they saw him, they started running for their lives because they knew they were about to be beaten. Anyways guys, thank you for watching my vlog. Stay tuned for more and more. And don't forget to like and subscribe and comment below if your campus also has wild animals in it. Bye.